Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how to get a Christmas card effect for your Christmas messaging on social media. Here I have a simple background of an image of me trying to look Christmassy and a red colour clip to use as my border. For method 1, which will give me a simple rectangle window, I have the image of me on top and the border colour underneath. What I'm going to do is use a simple size, position and rotate filter to alter the size of my image on the video. This is probably the best shape if the video is longer and you're moving around a bit. Of course, you need some Christmassy message too. So let's put some text on using a transparent text layer. You can use other shapes. If you watched the Bond video, you'll know what I'm going to do next. First, I have to swap the order of my border and the image. Now I'm going to add a mask symbol to the border layer. Select Subtract, remove Softness, and play around with the different shapes. With all of these, a smaller main image behind is going to look better, as it gives you more scope on sizing. So don't move around much if you're using a video. But what about if you want a particularly Christmassy shape, like a Christmas tree for example? That's not a standard shape in Shotcut. Well, first you need to make that shape, which I did in GIMP. It's best to have a single colour image, and black is a good option. The image needs to have a transparent background, and that means saving it as a PNG file. The setup on the Shotcut timeline is the same as the previous option, but this time I'm going to select Mask from File as the filter. Under the file options, you'll see all the same shapes as in the Transitions menu, and you can choose one of those if you want, but we're going for Custom. This allows you to select your PNG file, and you'll see the name comes up beneath the menu. You'll need to set it to alpha, and you'll see that you can have the actual image cut out in the colour of the border, or you can reverse it to have the tree as your window on the video. I'm not saying this is a good shape for this, it probably isn't, but you could do a star, or a Christmas bauble, or a snowman, or anything else you want. Here's what all these options look like close up. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.